So, 3 o'clock na guys. So, ayun na. Hindi ako ngayon naligo. Kasi, magpapa-hair color naman ako. Babasain naman yung buhok ko. So, hindi na ako naligo ngayong araw na to. So, I'm going to get ready and get dressed and head to the salon because it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, I only have 30 minutes to get ready and yeah. And see you later guys. Hi guys, on the way to the salon. I'm getting a hair color today and it is 4:30ish something in the afternoon and it's getting cold. So, yeah. So now guys, I'm at the salon already. If you're wondering what salon I go, I'm in Walmart. Inside the Walmart, they do have salon. So guys, this is how it look like my hair before na hindi pa nakukulay ng buhok. Brown na siya and super dry na siya. That's why I decided to change my hair color. Try darker color, how it's look like. So, yeah. So I always go to Walmart. They have salon inside and they're pretty cheap to do hair color. So since I did my start doing my hair color, I always go to Walmart salon. So guys, tapos na ni Alex kulayan yung buhok ko. Inaantay ko lang siyang ibabad sa aking hair. Hi guys, I'm with Ate Elnora. Ate, hi. She's gonna do a haircut and I'm doing a hair color.
My top looks red there, color red.
Right? So yeah, we're gonna do a haircut.
What do you recommend?
Did you cut your hair already, Ate Elnora? Because your hair is long, right?
Yeah, it's long and then
She had a short piece, huh?
Mm.
Like a few.
Try to use oil.
What kind of oil?
It's just like a basic oil for your hair. After you shower, put oil. That's what normally I use.
Good ones.
Oh,
Coconut oil is good too.
I don't like the smell of the coconut oil in my hair.
Yeah, it's good for it though.
That's what I myself.
Ooh, I like that.
I'm going to cook.
I'm gonna like your haircut, Ate Elnora.
It already feels healthy.
Yeah, I can see it. It's
All the
already.
dead is off.
Yeah, I can see it already. Like it's look healthier now. Damn, your hair is damaged, Ate Elnora. So dry.
I do not know why.
Yeah. it's
Since
pretty
I
bad.
came here, it's
Start getting more conditioning treatments too.
Yeah.
That helps too.
Yeah.
They do them here.
Oh, we
Or
can.
you could buy hair masks. and
Oh,
do it
you
yourself
can.
at home.
You do that too, like air conditioner or hair treatment, Alex.
Yeah.
How much
I
is
have
it
to.
cost? Like it depends, like how long your hair's long.
No. For any length, it's like 10,
$10.
13 actually.
So not too bad, you know. At least like once you treat your hair, I would like to do that. Maybe
Yeah.
next time.
Yeah.
Cause with my hair,
Especially if you get color too. It's
oh,
perfect.
I need
how much is
that. Maybe I'll try that
It's
next
like
month.
13.
It's not too bad. I don't know. You should do that next time.
yeah.
At least like maybe I would like to do that like at least. Is that okay? Like every month to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm going to
Depending
do.
on the condition, either once or twice if your hair's bad.
Oh, you should do that a lot, Ate Nora.
It will help your hair grow.
Yeah, it does. Any
Oh,
moisture helps your hair grow.
I want to do that. Maybe next month.
Oil's good for hair breakage. It
Mm.
makes it strong so that your hair
Oh.
doesn't break.
See? Next month I'm gonna do those hair treatment.
Yeah.
So that keep my hair not damaged or not dry. Hmm. I don't know about the...
It makes your hair soft.
Oh yeah, I like my hair soft, shiny. Hi guys, so I just got home and done with my hair color. So this is how it's look like, my hair color. It's black. So yeah, I'm excited, I'm happy because it's like super shiny. I love how when you go to salon, I like how they did the hair color. After everything, it make your hair like shiny and soft. So yeah guys, this is how it look like my hair color now. Finally, because I'm tired of like those highlights and brown color, so I did darker color. So this is how it look like guys. Cute, I like it. Make my hair like more healthier looking. So yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.